In this video, we're going to take a look at another form of Excel automation that uses existing templates. This becomes necessary when the Excel templates are fairly complicated and more designed as forms in the outside world and not as tables and subforms, etc. So okay, let's go and take a look at that. If we go look here in our sysadmin area, we have an attached templates button up here. And this form basically contains a listing of each of the templates plus a package, which includes all the templates, that we wish to fill from the Access database. So let's just take a look at a couple of these, or maybe one of these, and you can see that they are relatively non-standard types of forms, a type of form that you hand out to a person in the field. These workers, they work on scaffolds and they go out into the field and they perform a job and they have a crew with them and they just essentially fill in what it is they did on the job. So this is not your standard form, subform type of arrangement. It's a very customized type of form, which is why we use the well-designed template and use Access just to fill in the areas that that are fillable from the database, and then the user would go and write in whatever they actually did on this particular day. And this one would print all of them, but that's the idea there. So let's go ahead and take a look and see how that works in practice. So if we go rather to our dispatch, and we look at a new dispatch, and let's choose a dispatch date here that has some data, and through by clicking on, say, a change order. Right now it's pulling that template outside of the Access database, writing it to the disk, and now filling it in with the information relevant to this particular dispatch day and this dispatch crew. And so we can see now that it's filled in the template with all the details for the job, and it's actually written in the crew members, including the foreman. Our foreman here, Alejandro, is written here, and the other crew members are listed like that. And this, of course, can be done for each of the other templates, or we can do a package which would just go ahead and combine all of these templates into a single Excel sheet with separate tabs, and then it would fill in each of those tabs. As you can see now, it's processing the project report, and now the safety plan, etc. So now that it's done, it combines them together into a single Excel sheet. And now you can see along the bottom we have each of the different templates filled in with the data. And here's a change order that we saw earlier. And so that is a quick demonstration of how to use Excel templates and automate the filling of that template from an Access database.